Cold?
Yeah, it's really cold. Oh my gosh, I almost got a drink.
Streets are flooding with the sound of laughter breaking all around. Water guns and buckets raised. Bangkok's burning in this April haze. Tradition meets the modern day. Ancient spirits wash our sins away. Bangkok splash. We're soaking in the New Year's crash. Bangkok splash. Feel the water on your skin for days of chaos. We're all in Bangkok splash.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. It is Songkran, it's Thai New Year. And everyone's got cold water, it is hot.
It's so cold!
So yeah, we're gonna bring you along. We're in Silom right now. It's one of the happening places.
Easy!
And we're gonna go through. I got a chest mount on so you guys get a little first person action. And yeah, this is gonna be fun. This is our first Songkran. The boys are here too. Alright, let's go. We gotta fill up our guns.
Oh my god!
Oh, thank you. Yeah, awesome. You having fun? Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, it's a good time to come. Yeah, you too. Thanks for watching. How do you get out there? Just keep going down and spraying. Yeah, I'll lead. Get it! It's funny spraying the back of people's necks. They automatically do that. So yeah, everybody just walks in the same direction and sprays on the side. And there's places to refill on the side, so you just stop and refill your gun. It's 5 baht to fill up your gun, so it's pretty reasonable. It lasts a while too, and it's cold. They put ice in it. It's waterproof. Get in there. Let's go get more water. Over here. Get it over here. You guys are crazy with that. No. Get in there, get in there, get in there. No! All right, we survived the gauntlet of Silom.
Oh, that was so much fun. We still have 3 days of this.
Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun checking other areas of the city. And what we did here, we just got off at the Saladang BTS, which is a Silom station, and just walked all the way down. And they have it all blocked off for traffic, so you just walk down and everybody walks in the same direction as you guys saw in the video. And yeah, everybody's just having so much fun.
So fun. Everyone's happy. No one's being aggressive with their guns like right in your face, and no one's like plowing anybody over. No one's fighting. It's so like the peaceful water fight.
Yeah, exactly. It's so much fun. And yeah, we can look forward to the other days.
And a big mix of people from all over the world.
Yeah.
Of course, I mean, it's Bangkok, but it's just nice to see everybody out and having so much fun together, and everybody from different countries.
Yeah, it is fun. And yeah, it's crazy how wet you get right away.
There's some really cold water, but you know what? It's a hot day, and we don't have to worry about keeping cool, because it just happens automatically.
Yeah, super nice. So yeah, all the way down there's places you can get water refills. Small guns are 5 baht, larger guns are 10 baht for the water, which really isn't that bad. Lasts for quite a while. And there's food and drinks all the way down too, so you can come down here, enjoy yourself, stay hydrated, and yeah, spray a bunch of people.
So fun.
Yeah, so we'll leave the video off there. If you guys did like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. God bless, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.